Is Elementor free? Yes, mostly. So most of the program is free and you can use almost all of the features. And honestly, most of the things that most people will ever use are free. It's fair to call Elementor a free product. The core component of Elementor is the page builder, which mostly is free. You can see here, you can do all the things that most people need out of a page builder come packaged with Elementor, and that's why it's so popular. There's 5 million people using Elementor right now, and that's because the free plugin has so many features. It's so robust. It's not the kind of program where you're like, you use it for a little bit and then you're like, oh, I have to upgrade to get anything good. No, Elementor is actually free, and the free version is probably mostly everything that you need. However, there is Elementor Pro, and basically that's for anybody who just wants to take things to the next level. So if you want to get beyond, that page builder feature, there's a lot of other bells and whistles, very advanced stuff that Elementor can do. It is essentially a full-fledged like marketing software, page builder. You can even build like funnels and stuff. I wouldn't recommend it for really heavy funnel building, but you can build an entire business. You can build tons of different websites on Elementor. And I think the way that you should think about it is use the free version until you basically hit the limits of whatever you're trying to do, which for most people, you probably won't. But if you're like a heavy designer or a coder or a marketer, or if you're running a business on like WooCommerce or something, you might hit a point where you are ready to invest in an Elementor Pro subscription. And that too, I think the pricing is extremely fair. It's $59 per website for the Pro. And if you're an agency or you are a marketer or a designer or something, then you can invest in one of the other plans, which I think are still extremely reasonable. $199 a year gets you 25 Pro websites. Again, most people won't need that stuff, but if you do want to get the bells and whistles, then you can get Elementor Pro, and that's it. So is Elementor free? Yes, mostly, with an asterisk. And if you want all the bells and whistles, then it's no longer free. But most people can get by with the free version, and that's why they have millions of users. And I don't think you're going to regret either version, the free or the Pro. And of course, if you are interested in Pro and you want to be super cool, then you could purchase it through my affiliate link in the description box below, and I will get a small commission. So thank you very much for that. If you have any more questions about Elementor, let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. And if you found it useful, please hit the like button and maybe subscribe. Finally, take a look at these videos that I linked here and check out the links in the description box below. I've put together some things that I think are particularly useful for what we covered in this video and for you in general. Some of them are affiliate links, so if you end up purchasing any products through them, I may receive a commission. Thank you so much for that support. It helps me to make more videos for you in the future. I hope you enjoy your Elementor journey.